best used service in Melbourne for after renovation cleaning.
We proudly offer professional after renovation cleaning across Melbourne, servicing all major suburbs and surrounding areas within a 25 to 30 kilometer radius of the CBD. Our most popular service areas include Inner South and East, Prahran, South Yarra, Toorak, Armadale, Malvern, Hawthorn, Camberwell, Glen Iris. Inner North, Carlton, Fitzroy, Brunswick, Northcote, Thornbury. Inner West, Footscray, Seddon, Yarraville, Newport, Williamstown. Bayside and Southeast, St Kilda, Elwood, Caulfield, Bentley, Brighton, Sandringham. City and CBD, Melbourne, Docklands, South Bank, Port Melbourne. Expanding eastern suburbs like Balwyn, Doncaster, Box Hill and beyond. Whether you're in a high-rise apartment, period terrace, luxury townhouse or new build, we bring our 5-star cleaning team directly to your doorstep, equipped, insured and ready to deliver results. Not sure if we cover your area? Just ask. Chances are we've cleaned in your street before.